This is the most scientific fun I've ever had. I mean this. These people brought this stuff and it is amazing. You will not have this much fun during normal class. This is the best. End of that.
Something big is coming like a lightning bolt, a lightning bolt.
STEM is in everyday life. Science, technology, engineering, math. That's in everything that we do.
A brand new day. I don't know what to expect, but we'll never be the same.
It is literally life-changing stuff. It's not just a cool thing. This changes trajectory of lives for many of our kids, so that excites me.
They're looking at how it works, and maybe that leads to why it works, or is there a better way? And so we're really excited and really happy that we all came together and partnered to have this impact in STEM.